Fucking hell, it's rainy today. It's really bad, the weather. And yeah, check that out. Supposed to go jogging today, but I woke up late and it's rainy and it's bad. I'm gonna go back inside. Okay. So hail it is. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good day, guys. Planned to vlog yesterday, but didn't happen because got busy. Planned to vlog today, and my camera's in the back, so I'm gonna use the ORIG 100. And still, I'm so busy right now. I'm shooting a christening or a baptism today, and heading to the church right now. I'm running a bit late. I'm a bit late, so it's gonna get worse later. Also, I'll have a bat mitzvah later, so we'll see how this goes. Anyway, yeah, my glasses. Also forgot my glasses. I just have this non-filtered with glasses with reflections, so it's like shit. But anyway, I'm gonna drive right now. Yeah. Here we are at Andre's christening. So yeah, I'm shooting today, and this is that place. We got food I've been repeating my lines over and over again, and it seems like I'm tired right now, and also I'm not used to this vlogging lately, but I want to do vlog. Thing is, yeah, and I have a lot of things filmed, and I still haven't uploaded it, so yeah, I need to get my thing together. Anyway, I'm a bit sleepy, but I'm here at IKEA in Richmond. Just finished shooting christening, and then I'll be doing a bat mitzvah later. So yeah, I don't know if I can film, but anyway, yeah, that's what's happening. And yeah, I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna get coffee here, just go around Kmart, and we'll see how we go. I'm not gonna film or do anything because I'm tired. Anyway, yeah, let's see how these days will go. Got a quick massage, and yeah, nearly fell asleep, nearly snored. And yeah, I'm heading to the next event right now, which is a bat mitzvah in the deck, Brighton. So let's go. So I'm here already at the venue. It's the deck at Brighton. Just changing my clothes with my crappy shirt, just so tight right now. I'm so fat. But yeah, I'm here. I'm just gonna stay here till I'm gonna shoot here till 7:30. So that's 2 hours, and yeah, let's see how this goes. And I look like shit. I hate my hair. I just had a haircut from this barber, and then I had her do a line here, and it was crappy, and right now my hair is crappy, and it's like weird short, and I fucking hate it. I want to shave it off, but I don't know. Anyway, yeah. So that's the venue out there. My camera's not focusing because it's raining. Let me just try to turn on the engine. There you go. So that's the venue there, where there's like a fence or something. That's the venue. Anyway, yeah. Also, it's starting to rain, and I'm wearing my Jordans right now, and I'm really new at this. Yeah, I love my Jordans, but I'm really new at this. I don't know how to take care of it. I'm scared I might ruin it or something. I don't know. I don't even know how to lace it properly. But yeah, I'm wearing Jordans right now. Let's hope this rain stops. Oh shit. What the heck? So the time's around 5:16. I need to be there by 5:30. I'm gonna get out of my car at 5:20 and just start setting up. What else do I need? Just my stuff in the bag. So yeah, that's it. So just finished with today's gig, and I'm heading home right now. I'll be fetching Laura off her work later, because I think she left her car in the office. So yeah, I'll be fetching her later. Anyway, heading out now. Let's go. Okay. I have nothing to say. I'm gonna be editing all night.